Retro Games and Collectors, and welcome to another Amiga video. If I'm pronouncing it right, in this one I'm playing Apidya, what? I can't pronounce it, Apidya. Second one. It's like a Japanese, it's a bit of a Japanese one, is this? And it's a bit of a shooter, it's a shooter as well, it's a shoot-up game I should say. It's got some nice Japanese stuff. So let's get cracking. And good music as always on the Amiga. I can't pronounce the who made it, but you can see it there. They're chicken. We're going easy. No, easy. Let's go for. Right, that'll do. There you go. I'm a bee! Or wasp, I should say. Oh! Oh! Don't want to risk it. Ah, I missed it. Haha, got you. What are you known for? Missile? Oh! Oh, missed it. Oh, crack even on these hard. All you have to do is get hit once and you're dead. Got you this time. Oh man. Oh, I can't touch the ground. Let's have another go. That's quite short. He's lost his head. Hey, I've got grasshoppers, you know. Ah, I've got a little bee. Oh, don't know how I managed that. my fingers hurting. Oh man, I have to go all the way back here. Oh, I went into the damn mushroom. Nope, I'm dead. I'm dead. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll put no for that one. I did a little bit better on my second run. And there you go. Oops. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll catch you in my next video. And don't forget, you're never too old to game. Fitness Gamers signing out. Hell yeah.